So, changing the diff oil on this Nissan Leaf. This is an early 2012 ZE0. The gearbox layout's the same on all of them. You can see I've already taken the under tray out. The important things are, this is the drain plug, here's the filler plug. Start by taking the filler plug out to make sure you can refill it afterwards. Then take the drain plug out, all the oil will come out. You can clean off the magnets, any swarf, refill, done. So the differential oil change on this Nissan Leaf. Got the oil drain bucket ready. I've already slackened off the filler plug to make sure I can refill it afterwards. I've undone the drain plug. It's now just a case of taking it out, and you'll see that the oil that comes out is actually quite a nice colour, because I like to change mine regularly. There's no such thing as oil that's too clean. So you just let it drain. When the oil is this clean, it doesn't have to drain all the way. While the last of the oil is just draining out, we can check the drain plug. Because I do it regularly, this one's not got too much contamination on it, but I'll be changing the seal on there anyway, changing the seal on the filler plug as well. Pop some new oil in, lovely. So differential oil change on this Nissan Leaf. Next part, using ATF6 as recommended. I have a nice big syringe that I can use, and all I've got to do, suck the oil up, put the dispenser pipe in the hole, and pump it till it's full and flows out of the filler hole.